Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and password because access to iCloud is required. Sign in at iCloud. Com or open settings your name iCloud on your device and make sure Contacts is toggled on. Once done, give iCloud a moment to sync. Large address books can take minutes. If you have two-factor authentication, approve the sign-in on a trusted device. This prevents partial restores, so you avoid overwriting current data unintentionally. Next, use iCloud's Restore feature on a computer for the safest recovery. Go to iCloud. Open Account Settings and select Restore Contacts. You'll see Dated Archives. Pick the archive that predates the deletion. Before you restore, note the current contacts count so you can confirm changes. When you restore, iCloud replaces your current contacts across all devices, so this both recovers lost entries and overwrites recent edits. If you prefer, download the archive first as a backup file and inspect it. Finally, verify the restore on each device. Syncing may take several minutes, so be patient. Once you see the recovered contacts, confirm duplicates or conflicts and clean up as needed. If contacts don't appear, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or toggle contacts off then on to force a resync. As a last resort, export the recovered archive as a vCard and manually import it into Contacts. This avoids overwriting and lets you merge entries selectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.